North Korea, that's who. Not only is there that whole totalitarian state thing, yes, but earlier this week, somebody in Pyongyang basically clicked on the wrong button or something, and that let the people in the tech world who follow these things see that there are only 28 websites, top-level domains, technically, but basically 28 websites in that whole country. 28.
Marketplace is supported by Magoosh, online test prep for the GMAT, GRE, LSAT, SAT, ACT, TOEFL, and Praxis. Prep smart, go far, and enjoy the ride at Magoosh.com. And by Ooma, a cloud-based phone service working to help businesses run efficiently. Ooma, the smartphone for your business. More at ooma.com. And by the Henry Luce Foundation, seeking to increase American understanding of East and Southeast Asia.
Okay, we got to go. The Dow up 98 points today, about 0.5%, 18,392. The Nasdaq up 44 points, 0.8%, 5,339 there. S&P 500 up 14 points, about 0.6%, 21,77. John Buckley, Deirdre Debke, Eve Epstein, George Judson, Suzanne Levy, Andrea Seabrook, and Betsy Streisand are the Marketplace editing staff. I'm Kai Rizzo. We'll see you tomorrow, everybody.